Hello kids, today we will draw a cute mermaid. So let's start. First draw the mermaid face. Draw a curved line, then draw a big curved line, like this. Now draw a wavy line, like this, and make it like a face. Well done, now draw the mermaid neck. Draw two lines, like this. Now draw the mermaid hand. Draw a long line, then draw the fingers. Look, we draw the mermaid hand. Good job, now draw the other hand also. Do the same thing. First draw a line, then draw the fingers. Well done, it's looking very cute. Now draw the mermaid body. First draw a circle, like this. Then draw another circle, and it's done. Good job, now draw the mermaid's stomach. Draw some line, and it will look very cute. Now draw a curved line, and make the side. Draw the other side also. Look, we draw the mermaid clothes. Now draw the mermaid tail. Draw a wavy line, and make it like a tail. Draw the big curve, and connect it. Well done, now draw the fin, at the end. Draw it like a fish. Make some curve, and it's done. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here, and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Lastly, draw some line inside it. Just draw like me, and it will look really cute. Good job, we almost complete the drawing. Now draw some small scales on its tail. Draw some half curve, draw some randomly, and it's done. Well done, now draw the mermaid hair. Draw some big curve, like this. Make the hair wavy, and it's done. To watch more drawing video, click here, and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Good job, now draw the other side of the hair also. Make it fluffy and curvy. Well done, it's looking very cute. Lastly, draw the face of the mermaid. Draw the curved line, then make the eyelashes. Good job, now draw the other eye also. Draw the curved line, and it's done. Don't forget to draw the eyebrows. Draw a curved line on above the eye, like this. Lastly, draw a cute and happy smile. Make the mermaid very happy. Wait, I forgot to draw the ear. So draw the ear on both sides, like this. Good job, we complete the drawing. So let's color it. First color the mermaid hair. Use red color and color the outline first. Color carefully and slowly. Now color the above part. Color step by step, and your drawing will look very cute. Color the other side of the hair also. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. You can also use different color if you want. Look how pretty her hair are looking. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. You know what? Mermaids are half human and half fish. And they live under the water. Color step by step, and your drawing will look very cute. Now use skin color and color the face. You can also use cream color and color it. Color the outline carefully and don't color the eye and mouth. Well done, now color the ear, then color the mermaid body. Color the hand, like this. If you color the outline first, then you will not make any mistake. Good job, now color the stomach, and it complete. Look how cute it's looking. Now color the mermaid tail. I'm using sky blue color, but you can use different colors if you want. Color the very slowly, and don't make any mistake. Well done, color the upper cloth also. It's looking very beautiful. Now use dark blue color and color the mermaid side. Color very carefully on both sides. Lastly, color the mermaid tail. Color small part, like this. And don't color the outline. Look, we almost complete the drawing. Lastly, use brown color and color the mermaid mouth. Well done, we complete the drawing. Look how cute and pretty she is looking. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel.